In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then all services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on any password to edit it. Enter your screen lock and click on Edit button. Now change wherever you want to, and when you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!